Welcome to Angela Sridium, Hawaiian Travels. Today I went to Waimea Canyon and it looked like a real-life Studio Ghibli. We drove up a steep, windy hill, and from the top we could see Lilo and Stitch's village, the ocean, and really pretty green meadows. First we went to Wailua Falls, where we saw a double rainbow down on the water, but not in the sky. It was so pretty. I didn't take any horizontal videos of that, so I'll post that on my Instagram. On our way to Waimea Canyon, we saw this really old house. There was a sign in front of it that said it was the oldest house in Hawaii. I'll be doing more research on this on my blog, so go ahead and follow me there. Later that evening, we headed up north to Honolulu, where we had a ukulele lesson with a really nice man. He used to play with Jason Mraz, and here is my grandma having the time of her life.
Hi, Pong.